Hey, you okay, kid?
Yes, I hate those kind. Lying sons of crawdads picking on a kid. Well, ain't you just the cutest thing? He likes you.
Imagine that, Ramsey. Even with your stinky face.
Smash! Boundaries? This is my personal bubble.
Nah, that ain't your bubble. This is your bubble!
Nash, get out of your sister's bubble. You got no business being out here.
Yes, sir. I don't. I'm trying to get home, but I lost the river. Please, my mama needs me. Take it easy, kid. Do you know where the river is?
What river? There's tons of rivers around these parts.
By Clawtooth Mountain. It has 3 points.
Don't know that one.
We're heading south to a watering hole. Come with us. Someone there might help you.
We ain't got time for babysitting. We got longhorns to round up.
My genius brother lost our whole herd in one day.
I did not lose them, Ramsey. How many times I gotta tell you this? They just wandered off.
And we still gotta find them. We can't help you, kid.
Wait, but what if we can help you? Spot can sniff out anything. I seen him do it. He can find your longhorns.
Hey!
Come on, Spot. Sniff it out, boy.